Uba Prestone song sembut mitrang ba kajala meglia bat National Vice President ka National People Party NPP ulo ong baladei mo u haka chakau National Secretary ko All India Trinamool Congress AITC u Abhishek Banerjee unwa chwa lagi donne baroh khan ngut ke MLA kani kijing jumba ba Prestone kalong halo kijingja saungut ke MLA Trinamool Congress banidon lang haka jelang a jingkran u Banerjee ha ususu tham auditorium haka arpnai trik chliaw arjar war.
The MLA of AITMC, they are supposed to be there, 12 of them. But yesterday only 8 of them attended. 4 were absent. I would like to ask from the General Secretary, who traveled all the way from Calcutta to Shillong, it seems he has not done well his homework. Had it been me in his place, before coming to Shillong, I would like to make sure that all the 12 MLAs of my party are intact, are together in the meeting. So even I was surprised when I saw in the newspaper, when I saw in the social media, out of 12, only 8 of them attended the meeting.